She's probably been sitting in that stupid...
What are you doing? Look at Jackie. Roxy!
Wild pool at 6 o'clock.
No, don't let her in. Ay, ay, ay. I like how she turned.
I know. She's like a sports car.
One time she turned one time, she literally fell and started rolling. So Bernie,
Uh-huh.
I washed all the sheets, so everybody has to make their bed.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness, how's my puppy? Let her run. This is actually good for her. You guys any idea how goofy you look? Run her around some more. Keep her running.
Look at that little lamb.
On a roll, man.
Wait. Also, Jackie, I got you lots of mashed potatoes.
Dad.
Funny dog.
You didn't run.
You're not fooling me this time.
She's getting tired,
I
huh?
know she is. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's eat grass.
How much money did you guys get?
80.
50 from Grandma and 30. Wow, that's pretty good, don't you think? Yeah.
Check out the bush.
Don't chase her out in the street.
Yeah.
Look at her ear. Oh, stop.
Flop.
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 Okay,
No,
come here,
Christy.
Pooch. Come here. Come here. Sit.
You got
Sit. Oh
50
boy, are
from
you wet.
Grandma, 30 from Aunt Carrie.